we got the patches welded in, and that one's cleaned up a little bit. Got to clean up that one. Started cleaning up this one while I was waiting for the new box hold down bolt or box hold down nut to cool down after I made that. So it is let's see here, it is one of these little washers welded to one of those washers with a nut welded on top, and then I'm going to weld it into the box and it fits better than that. I just threw it in there, but then I can go ahead and get this patch welded up for the floor, and then we should be done welding the floor up on the box. I still got to push this back up into place, clean all the oil spray off from behind it, grind it all down, prep it up, weld it up. I got to weld this little bit of the box rail still. I just left this for last, as I wasn't sure if I was going to try to get any more of the dent worked out of the box, but I think I've kind of got it to the best of my abilities. And I kind of need to drive this truck, so we're probably just going to push this back up, weld it up,